Hey, everybody, and welcome to the Law Unscripted. This is the bar review course, and today we are doing the constitutional law group study session. The first part, the questions we're going to be asking overall are, would a federal or state court hear either of these lawsuits? And if so, which? 2 is, assuming a court could hear the cases, what laws would be considered and would either plaintiff win?
Okay.
Hopefully
I'm
it's getting
scared.
intriguing. I'm scared too, quite frankly, so that's okay. Well, are you ready for part 2 questions?
I'm ready.
Okay, so those questions, the first will be, are either of the public university's new rules constitution?
Ooh, I love this.
Constitutional.
I
And
was tracking.
explain. There we go. Yeah, you filled in for me. Number 2, is the city's new zoning restriction constitutional? Explain. Number 3, I know this will be a shock. Are the state's new laws constitutional? And that, actually, it's 3. So I had repeated the third one. So it's actually 2 and then 3. You
Okay.
get away without one.
Look at that. I'm ready.
Okay. So here's the first part. I'm going to read just the facts that set
Yes.
up both of them. And then I'm going to pause.
Yes,
And
you'll
do
see
part
me taking
1.
notes.
Okay.
Perfect.
Tell me if you need me to pause. You ready?
I will. Yes.
Okay. Public university is located in State A, and it allows students to enroll and attend the school as long as they were admitted by normal protocol used by most public universities around the country. The student newspaper is run by students, but it is overseen by a professor. Each morning and during the regular school year, each month, here we go. Each month during the regular school year, the new student newspaper is published, and it allows articles, opinion pieces, and even some advertisements. Most of the residential housing within 15 miles of the university consists of private homeowners who rent out their homes to students.
Mm-hmm.
In the past 5 years, there have been increasing numbers of advertisements requested by some of these private homeowners for homes or rooms for rent. Most of these homeowners prevent foreigners from renting their homes and rooms. No one pays for the advertisements in the newspaper, but of course, the homeowners who advertise receive benefits if students use their service, buy their products, rent their rooms. The university provides some student housing on campus, but only for students 25 years old or younger. Within the past 2 years, Public University has noticed a sharp decrease in foreign students in the school's population. It has also noticed a small decrease in students from State B, which has a fair-sized Muslim community. Okay, I'm going to pause there. How are we holding up? I know I missed a couple of words in there, but how are we holding up?
I think we're good. The only thing I think I need to clarify, looking at my notes now, the ads in the student newspaper, nobody's paying for that.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
I just wanted to check on that. So they just request it and they're published. Okay.
Basically, the idea is they post and they say room for rent, and then if they call, they can get one, but they don't pay anybody for the privilege of appearing. If they request, they get it.
Okay, easy enough.